Hello, and you are most welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to set up and add discount codes in your Shopify store. Here, I'm already on my Shopify store with one product added and all the details added. For you to set up and add discount codes, you'll come to the left-hand side of your Shopify store and you notice we have home, orders, and all these others. Down here, you'll come to discounts. You will click on discounts and that will be bringing you to a new page. And this new page has discounts, and at the top here, you can click on create discount, or down here, you can also click on the same. So you create discount codes and automatic discounts that apply at checkout, and I'll be explaining the difference between the automatic discounts and the discount codes in the next step. So to create the discount code, you click on create discount and now you select the discount type. To start from below here, we have the free shipping discount. This is an offer for free shipping on an order and you can set up that. The process of setting all this is almost the same. It's almost the same for all. So I'll just explain a few. So amount of order, this is a discount of the total order amount. You order a certain amount and then you get a discount from that. Then we have the buy X get Y discount type, and in this discount type it's based on a customer's purchase, such that maybe if a person buys a pair of shoes, they get a pair of socks. So you buy X and then you get Y discount. Maybe they get a pair of socks at maybe 50% off. And then we have the amount of products, and this discount is specific on products or collections of products. You get a certain amount off or a certain percentage off. So to set up now the discount, you select the one that you would want. So let's just set up the amount of discounts because it is the most common one. So you click on product discount so that now you can set up a product discount. So at the top here, you notice we have the amount of discount and then we have the discount code, or you can select automatic discount. So if you click on the discount code, then it means people who have this discount code will be the beneficiaries of your amount of product discount. If you put it automatic, then it means that customers will see this in their cart at the checkout, all customers. So you can decide which one to use, so that maybe if you use the discount code here, customers must enter this code at checkout. So I'm going to click, you can generate a random code here. If you click on that, you notice it has generated a random code, but you can also put your own code. You can click on generate here to get a random one, but you can also type your own code here. So I'm going to type this one as Kenya 25. Maybe it's a discount of 25. Maybe I'm celebrating 25th anniversary, so I'm giving this discount code. So you put it there, and then you put the discount value here in terms of either percentage or fixed amount. So if you put it in terms of percentage, you maybe say whoever purchases something, they get a discount of 25%. If you put it as a fixed amount, then it means that here you put the amount. They get an amount of maybe $20 off. Now, it's important you choose this part wisely because, for instance, if you say it's a fixed amount discount and then you put $20 here, and maybe there's a product that you are selling that goes for $20, it means that if a person uses this code, then they are not going to pay anything because they have an offer of $20 off for a product that maybe goes for $25. So they only either end up paying very little amount. So you have to be very specific on this. So, and by being specific, what we mean is you can come to specific collections here if you want to use fixed amount, so that in your collections, you can put that on specific products which you know their value is way more than 20%. Maybe a product that goes for $200, then you select those specific products or specific collections so that this now can have value to you. Otherwise, you can set it as a percentage so that you say everyone gets a 25%, by using this code here. Then you can search the collections. You can browse your collection here. You notice I have not added any, but I can just add my homepage as a collection. And in this YouTube channel, we have different tutorials on how to add a collection in your Shopify store, and I highly welcome you to watch that. So the next thing, you come down here and then you put the minimum purchase requirement. For instance, if up here you had put a fixed amount of $20 off, then you can put the minimum purchase here so that you say, I'll give you a discount of $20 instead of a percentage here if you purchase a certain minimum. Maybe if you purchase anything around 200 US dollars. Otherwise, if you set fixed amount here as 20 and then you put here no minimum requirement here, then as I explained earlier, a person may just buy a product worth $21 and you have already given them a discount code of $20. So you only end up getting $1. So that's why it's important you make all these settings very carefully so that you don't end up making a loss. So I'll put this as fixed amount of $20 and the minimum purchase has to be around 200. That means if I give you a discount, I still have around 180 to budget with. Then you can also put that as minimum quantity if you want to. Then maybe the number of quantity applies and applies only to selected collection. Maybe you have 5 items, you want minimum items to be 5 because you believe each item costs around $20, which will be 20 times 5, which is $100, so that the discount you're applying here will make sense. So you have to know how to adjust these areas here. So let me just put the minimum purchase, that one, and then I leave the minimum quantity of items given there. Then for the customer eligibility, you can choose if this will apply to all customers. If that is the case, you choose all customers. You can also choose specific customer segments. If you click on specific customer segments, then you'll have to come down here and browse the customer segment that you want to use this discount. Maybe you have a segment for new customers. Maybe you have a discount for high purchase customers. So you can select the segment here. And to set up customers, you can simply come to this left hand side and set different segments of customers so that if a customer falls in that segment, they may now apply the discount. Otherwise, you can still set it on specific customers here again or on all customers if you want it to apply to all customers. So in this case, I'm going to set it for all customers. Then you can give the maximum discount uses. This means maybe a person cannot use this discount for maybe more than once, more than twice, and all that. So you can limit the number of times this discount can be used. You click that part and then you say maybe the number of times to be used. This will be just a one-time thing, or you can limit to one use per customer. You can put it there. So you decide which one you want. So I want to put it as limit number of times this discount can be used in total. It can only be used once. Then you come to the combinations. So Kenya 25 can be combined with, now the discount that we set, this is the name we gave, it can be combined with product discounts, order discounts, and shipping discounts. Now remember we said we have different types of discounts. So you can decide that you can get this discount combined with another discount. So remember in this tutorial, we are just setting up the first discount at the top here, which we have called amount of discount. So by talking about this one down here, if we set like 3 or 4 discounts, it means we can allow 2 different discounts to be used by the same customer. That is what we are calling combination, such that a person gets maybe a 20% off or a $20 off the purchase they make, but they can also combine that with another shipping discount, which we can set up through the same process. If you don't want to combine that with any, you can uncheck, or you can check this if you want to check any. Then you can put the active dates for your discount so that now you can say that your discount starts at this time, and then you can set the end date. If you don't want to set an end date, you want it to run maybe until you can do it and stop it manually, you can leave it as it is. So you set the date here, the start date. We want this to begin tomorrow, and we want this to begin at 5 a.m. in the morning. So you can set up that. And we want this maybe to run for only 1 week. So from 16th, we want it to stop on 23rd, and we want it to stop at 6 a.m. So that's how you set up the start time and the end time. If you're not satisfied with that, you simply click on save discount down here, and that will save your discount. You notice your discount has been created. Kenya 25 was created successfully. So what next? So the next thing you do is that you get a shareable link, and you use a shareable link to promote your discount code via email or social media. And this discount will be applied at checkout when customers use this link. So you click on get shareable link, and you notice now you will get a link here. So discount link landing page. Where do you want this discount link to land your customers? Is it on the collection, or maybe the collection you had created, or on the home page? So you select where you want it to land them, maybe the collection for the product where the discount applies. So you can copy that, and then you can share that either on social media, in the videos that maybe you have created on your social media accounts. Elsewhere, you can always do that. And that is simply how you add product code discounts on your Shopify store. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.